You set up your opt-in, someone grabs your freebie, they hit submit, and land on a blank, boring page that just says, "Thanks." Missed opportunity, big time. Let's fix that, because a thank you page is more than just a polite nod. It's your most underrated conversion tool. Here's what it is. A thank you page is the page someone sees after they sign up for your lead magnet, book a call, or buy something. But what makes it powerful is what you do with it. Think of it like the moment after a great handshake. You've made a first impression. They said yes. Now what? You could just walk away. Or you could take the next step. Invite them in. Guide them forward. Because attention is rare and momentum is fragile. A great thank you page does exactly that. It keeps momentum moving. It tells the person you're in the right place, and it shows them how to keep going. Want to grow faster? Use it to offer a quick next step. Invite them to follow you. Suggest a relevant video. Pitch a low-ticket offer. Get them into your community. Even ask a simple question to build connection. Bonus tip: add a short video. When they see your face or hear your voice, trust grows fast. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to be intentional. Because the thank you page isn't just about saying thanks. It's your chance to say, "Here's what's next." Use it well, and it becomes a bridge from attention to action. Now you know what a thank you page really is, and why most people waste it. Don't be most people. Use it with purpose, and keep the momentum going. Subscribe for more smart moves like this.